Good afternoon from Hackensack. The wild salmon fisheries around the United States keep on giving. Apparently, it was a great salmon season. And today, my wife picked up this 1.4 pound fillet of wild sockeye salmon, previously frozen. Usually, in early October, you can't find any more wild salmon, fresh wild salmon, in Costco or Whole Foods. But here it is, $9.99 a pound. Previously frozen. It's as good as the fresh. So we're reducing a can of organic diced tomatoes with red wine, some olive oil. We'll put some seasonings in there, and then a little spray oil on this grill that straddles two of the burners on my stove. Medium, high flame, and this fillet will cook in about. The serving pieces will cook in about 7 minutes. This has a lot of omega-3 oils in it. Fatty acids, they're called. You could just feel it on the skin. So I'm going to cut this into serving pieces and a little maybe lemon juice on it, a little salt. Okay, so the fish is on the griddle, and the tomato reduction is reduced nicely over there. I basically put 3 serving pieces on the griddle over the burner, and this is medium-high. So we'll turn it over after 4 minutes. Okay, so after 4 minutes, I flip them over. Another 3 minutes or so, and they'll be ready, sort of medium. Okay, so the salmon's on the platter. Some organic diced tomatoes, reduction with red wine, fresh parsley, some lemon juice in here. Anything left over, you could use in an omelet the next day. Some fresh organic parsley. Could add more lemon juice if you want. Wild sockeye salmon and a reduction of organic diced tomatoes, red wine, seasonings, lemon juice. Enjoy. There's nothing like wild salmon. If you've only been eating farm salmon, you don't know what you're missing.